Is the hype real on Supermix 4? Let's find out in today's short and simple video. Let's start with the build and design of the IM. I really like the understated look. It gives it a very professional look in my opinion. It has a metal faceplate of grey color with a small bronze ring around it. The shell of the IM is made out of black resin. It feels very good for the price. The cable provided is very good. In fact, it is better than Truthyear Nova's. The shells of the IM are on smaller side, so the fit and comfort is great. The isolation provided is also decent. Now let's move to the sound, and here is the frequency response. Now let's begin with the bass performance. This is where my issues start with this IM. The bass sounds very unnatural and undynamic to me. It lacks attack and decay. It is very strange coming from a brand which has produced some excellent single DD IMs like EA500LM or EA1000 format. This poor performance carries in the mid-range as well. Mid-range sounds fuzzy and it lacks detail. This is very strange as it grabs very well, but to my ears it completely fell short. Male and female vocals sounds powerless. The timbre of the instruments is very unnatural. Tracks like Rolling in the Deep by Adele and Azara by Sunidhi Chauhan confirms my finding. Now let's have a look at the treble performance. This is the area where Supermix redeems itself. The treble is smooth, not as smooth as Nova, but it is smooth enough. It is very incisive sounding. The macro and micro detail pickup is really good. This is further enhanced by the slight boost in the air region. The technical performance and detail retrieval of this IM is not that good. As I mentioned earlier, bass and mid-range is not that detailed sounding, and the only redeeming factor is its treble as it provides good macro and micro detail pickup. There is no point in talking about stage and instrument separation and layering as it falls way shorter of Truthyear Nova. Now the biggest question, which IM is better, Truthyear Nova or Supermix 4? My answer will be Truthyear Nova. Truthyear Nova has better bass performance, it has better texture or rumble to the bass. The mid-range performance is also better on the Truthyear Nova. Truthyear Nova's mid-range is very detailed sounding and it is very good as compared to Supermix 4. The treble performance of the Truthyear Nova and Supermix 4 is almost same. The micro detail pickup performance is better on the Supermix 4 as it has boost in the air region, but the smoothness of the treble is better on the Truthyear Nova. The technical performance and detail retrieval of the overall sound signature is better on Truthyear Nova as it has better bass and mid-range performance. So overall, if you ask me, which Harman tuned IM will I choose? My answer will be Truthyear Nova 100% of the time. I hope SimGod takes the criticism mentioned in the video and work in their future products. I really like their products like EA500, LM, EA1000 and EM10 is especially hype worthy. But I don't know what happened and Supermix 4 turned out the way it did.